Hey everyone, if you're watching this video right now, I assume that you want to lose weight. You've probably heard about the keto diet since it's being talked about so much these days. But do you really know about the science behind it or the fact that it works incredibly well when it's implemented correctly? Unfortunately, a lot of people struggle with the keto diet plan and don't know what keto foods best suit their body. Some people eat too much or too little fat and don't know what meals are appropriate on the keto diet. This prevents them from achieving results. But now, the custom keto diet plan makes it easier than ever to eat delicious foods that enable your body to lose weight. Custom Keto Diet is a custom meal plan service that has helped thousands of people all over the world to lose weight and keep it off. This product allows people to create their own keto diet plan that is customized to their own individual food preferences, daily activity levels, height, weight, and goals. The experts at Custom Keto Diet will create a customized keto diet plan based on scientific research that maximizes the body's fat-burning abilities to achieve successful results. Custom Keto Diet has a team of certified nutritionalists, personal trainers, and chefs on hand who know what does and doesn't work. The 8-week meal plan will be completely customized and tailored to your unique needs, down to the proper amounts of calories and macronutrients, and a wide variety of foods will be included to ensure proper nutrition. Users will receive a convenient, downloadable shopping list every week to purchase the proper ingredients at the grocery store. If you want to live a healthier lifestyle and keep weight off, give Custom Keto Diet a try. It has worked for so many people, and it can work for you too. Just click on the link in the description below to get started today. You have nothing to lose except weight.